Let's run the top command to check the memory usage of each process. As shown, the Python process gunicorn is consuming more than 600 megabytes of memory. Let's run the ps command to see more details about this process. Here we can see that it is using the standard Python 3 binary executable that comes with the Linux distribution. Let's use OpenResty-X-Ray to check out this unmodified process. We can analyze it in real time and figure out what's going on. Open the OpenResty-X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. You can choose the right machine from the list below if the current one is not correct. Go to the guided analysis page. Here you can see different types of problems that you can diagnose. Let's select high memory usage. Click on Next. Select the Python application. Select the process that consumes almost 600 megabytes of the RAM. This is what we saw previously in top. Make sure that the application type is right. Usually the default should be correct. OpenResty-X-Ray can analyze multiple language levels at the same time. We'll keep both Python and C selected. We can also set the maximum analyzing time. We'll leave it as 300 seconds, which is the default value. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. Now it's executing the first round. The first round is done and it's on to the second one already. That's enough for this case. Let's stop analyzing now. We can see it automatically creates an analysis report. This is the type of problem we are going to diagnose. It's memory. We can see most of the memory is allocated by the libc allocator. It's more than 580 megabytes. This is the Python GC object reference path occupying the most memory. Obviously, this Python VM uses the libc allocator to request memory. This is the Python dictionary holding all the loaded Python modules. Here is the Python module named order_service.order.prevprocessor. Inside this module, there is a field named order name cache. And this field value is a Python dictionary. Click to see more details. This GC object reference path is automatically inferred from this Python LAN GC object memory distribution flame graph. Below are more detailed explanations and suggestions regarding the current issue. It talks about the prevprocessor module we saw earlier. It also mentions order name cache dictionary. Let's go back to the data reference path. Click the icon to copy the module name. On the terminal, use the find command to find the Python source file. Paste the module name we just copied. Here we have used the dots in the module name as a wildcard for the grep command. Copy the full file path. Use the vim editor to open the source file. You can use any editor you like. We can find the order name cache field variable mentioned in the previous report. We can also examine how this field variable is being used to determine if there is a memory leak. OpenResty-X-Ray can also monitor online processes automatically and show analysis reports. Go to the Insights page. You can find the reports in the Insights page for daily and weekly periods. For this reason, you don't have to use the guided analysis feature. Though guided analysis is useful for application development and demonstration purposes. OpenResty-X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan the performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.